according to my mom.
Hello there, we are the hunters, and we all have new skins. And ignore any previous video where I said I was Dreadcraft and I was with the hunters. And never mind that. I have my epic skin. Look, right there. Right there. Epic skin. Better than that skin. Even no flying.
I just have to fly. It's a lot more difficult. I'm not in creative mode.
Okay, good.
It's just easier this way.
Yeah, all the blocks. Yeah, all the blocks. Just pull on this way.
Oh, Allah.
What?
You have reached the life model.
Oh my Allah.
Stark.
That's Muslim thunder.
Wait, what did you just say?
You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark. Please leave a message.
I need food.
I have food.
Give me food.
I didn't say I'll do that.
Give me food.
We should claim their... Next time you have enough power to claim land, Thomas, go over to Katie and Chris's house and claim land. That way when we're fighting them at their house, they can't hit us, but we can hit them.
Okay, I already have enough power to do that.
Huh?
I have enough power to do that.
Then do it.
Okay, I just can't find their house again.
It's right across the sea.
Oh,
Molly kept singing this song in 9th period for like a month straight. It was called Across the Mountains and something about that. And then she killed people, and it was funny because they died. I'm kidding. It was hilarious. It wasn't funny, it was hilarious. Creeper!
Our worst enemy is here.
No, he's underground.
I just claimed like that whole island.
We can destroy their house. They can't even destroy their own house. They can't even move.
I can't even open a chest.
Well, there's nothing in their chest, so it doesn't matter. And they can't hurt us when we're there.
I am a freaking bounce, a freaking bounce. You cannot deny my bounciness.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Well, I just did anyways. Rebellious. Shish boom boom ringo. Cha-chingo ringo.
Can I see your skin?
What?
Can I see your skin?
What about it?
Take the helmet off. Okay, now come down here. I want to do something. Take whatever you have in your hand out. Okay, viewers, let's have a has the best skin contest. Do you think it is A, me? Hold on. Do you think it is A, me? Right there. B, what? B, E-Man, or the other member. Oh, hold on, let me get the other one on. Let me get Noah on.
He's the leader, so, you know. The creepers are our worst enemies, and... Thomas,
Yeah?
your hair makes you look like a homo. Your hair makes you look emo.
Ethan, stand back in a line.
Go bathe.
Noah, come over here. I'm letting the viewers...
Get your bow out. Thomas is doing this stupid who has the best skin contest. I just left a remark that said his hair makes him look emo.
That was nice of you.
Screw Xbox. I play the old Nintendo. I must be emo.
Then get back down here.
Make me.
Actually, I have to get off, so I can't actually do anything right now.
Okay, so who has the best skin, me or Eman? You saw both of our skins for a long period of time.
I can't believe you're doing this. Actually, I can. You're self-centered, shallow, and mean.
No, I'm not. Everybody has viewer contests at some point. Or bed plus. It won't let me place bed.
Yeah, remember your stupid server glitches and it doesn't let us place beds.
How do you place that bed?
I have no idea.
Yes, let me place this bed. I'm sleeping.
Bed party. Bed party.
Too late. You couldn't have a bed party with me.
I set my home there. I wanted to have a bed party, Thomas.
No. You know what happened at the last one, and I'm not talking about it. You know the thing that happened at the last one?
This hobo walked into the room and
You mean you walked into the room?
she started stripping and humping my face.
And then I was sleeping and you were...
And if it wasn't Katie, I probably would have been okay with it.
And then you came home, and then you came back to our base drunk while I was sleeping. And then you did unspeakable thing with unspeakable thing.
Anyways, how long have you been in?
About 6 minutes, about 7 minutes.
I wish I were a unicorn, so all the other unicorns would stop bullying.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a comeback.
Wish I were a unicorn, so all the other unicorns would stop bullying me.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion.
I wish I were a unicorn, all the other unicorns would stop bullying me. When I was a young boy, my father stood me tall. La 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 la. Chololololol, I must have killed your mama. That deaf, dumb, blind kid cannot play Minecraft worth crap.
You can stop trolling, stop singing, or I will kill you.
Why don't you make me? That's right, old man, fight me. Fight me, IRL, fight me. Yay! I finished it.
We're so lucky we can't hurt each other because we're in the same faction.
You're so lucky. Look what I have. That's right.
What do you have? Well played, well played.
That's right, emo boy. Come at me, bro.
Well played, Ethan, well played. That's my TNT.
No, this is my TNT. Oh, I know the answer. I know the answer to problem 3.
6.
Denied. Oh, shoot. Scooby-Dooby-Doo means that we watch movies. Oh, dear God, there was this mysterious explosion at Katie's house.
You mean our house?
No.
That's our house, Ethan. I cleaned it.
There was this mysterious explosion at what used to be Katie's house.
By mysterious, you mean you blew it up.
Yeah, now there's fire all over the place. What's happening? Ow. I am on fire. Ow. I wish I was smarter.
It's the burning house.
I really wish I was smarter. Really, I could have just done this. Fireball. Oh yeah, that doesn't work on... Yeah, it lights obsidian. I did slash fireball. Things went south.
Because I placed TNT.
Place some more TNT.
Don't use fireball yet. Up top. Not yet. Not done setting the charges. Still not
Just
done.
tell me when to Kamehameha the crap out of the thing.
Okay, almost done. Fire the hole!
Ow! Oh dear.
We are so trollers.
You're such a troll,
Oh,
old
they're
Holmes.
mine. You like that crazy, Karen?
We won the war, we can go home.
No, not yet. There's still a lot of warring to do.
Crap.
Give me the first strike. There will definitely be other calories.
I think I just lost most of my stuff. Where'd my stuff go? Well, here's my pick.
Kamehameha!
Thomas, where's my stuff?
I have no idea, but wherever it is, it probably just got blown up.
Probably just blew all my crap up, didn't I?
Yeah.
I guess that'll teach me to stand right next to the TNT I'm gonna blow up.
It's survival. Ethan,
Dang
how do you
it.
say charges all over the island?
I don't have any TNT.
Go into creative mode.
Ow! Ow! Why does this keep happening to me?
I was already. It's gonna blow up. This whole island is now Atlantis.
Oh god, why does this keep happening to me?
Because you're not in god mode and you're standing right next to TNT. That's probably not. Don't set my TNT off yet.
Well, now we know.
Ethan, I'm being serious here. This is gonna be epic troll.
Oh.
Do not set off this TNT.
You should just,
Abandon
take off, run, back to base, retreat. Where's the base? It's over here. Tactical retreat.
I'm gonna add Katie to the call. Okay, stop laughing. You're gonna look guilty.
I am guilty.
Hello? Katie? 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 Katie?
Oh my god. I can't stop laughing.
Ethan, you're gonna look suspicious. Make us look suspicious.
Oh, since I was young boy, tried to kill me.
You have serious parent issues.
Why the hell would you? But I can't fight this feeling
I
anymore.
can't fight this feeling anymore.
I've forgotten what I started fighting for. It's time to bring this ship into the show.
Can you take the phone for us, Ethan?
Nope.
You're really gonna take me down with you? You're gonna take me down with you, Ethan?
Yes.
Why?
Because it was just as much your fault as it was my fault, and I outrank you.
I outrank you in Katie.
That doesn't count.
Ethan, forgetting.
Well, you just said that in front of YouTube. Part out.
I am. I will. YouTube. I hate when that happens.
It's time to eat this person in the neck and kill their babies. I kill babbies. Anyways, Thomas, I gotta go now. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Sitting at the charges.
I'll call you back later if I can. Bye.